So what happens when we place a Peltier thermoelectric cooler on top of a all-in-one from 240mm AIO? For this test, we'll be using Kingpin Cooling KPX, one of the best thermal pastes on the market, so it's not going to be a blame the paste situation. We mounted it with custom hardware going on here. You can see that it's running, but we're going to see what kind of temperatures we get. As you can see, the thermoelectric cooler is working. We're down at 9C, 10C, 15C. I'm going to have to put a load on it, see what kind of temperatures we get. So now we're running Cinebench. It's just a Pentium G7400. So it's not using that much power. But as you can see, we're hanging at 35, 37, 38C at about 17 watts. So I'm going to do some Prime 95, see if that gets the temperatures up at all. So it looks like not even Prime 95 is drawing enough wattage. So I might have to go back into the BIOS, intentionally give it some core voltage, or do it here on throttle stop, and then we'll see if the temperatures change. So we're gonna raise a CPU voltage to 1.3, see what kind of temperature difference that makes. The thermoelectric cooler is not able to cool this at 31 watts, it looks like, or just barely. So for those who are curious, this is what the inside of a thermoelectric cooler looks like. So yeah, that's what happens when you add a thermoelectric cooler on top of a water cooling block for an all-in-one. So not very effective. You don't get any benefit from the water cooler at all. You're just limited to the whatever 48 or so watts that the thermoelectric cooler can provide.